Hey guys, I'm Lulu. So today we'll install this bonus wheel spacers for this Range Rover.
By moving the wheel further away from the chassis, we create more space from the hub assembly to the wheels. It is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers.
BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade Ford 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high-strength wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high-temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completely within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.